Wait, Chad.
I'm really
Hey, chill.
This is my school now.
His name's Chad. Hey, Chad. Yeah,
My
Chad.
name's Chad, bro.
Rock,
I'm
paper,
not
scissors
good
for the
at-
girl. This guy,
Jump.
I can't stand him. You know what? I'm gonna show him what we talk about here with rock, paper, scissors, and shoes. Okay. All right, here we go. Okay, I call this the rock, paper, kaboom. All right. Rock, paper.
I don't have any.
Breakfast. I think I won.
Look into my eyes, bro. Look into my eyes.
I'm looking into your eyes, bro.
It's
What?
just a prank, bro. It's just a prank.
No!
It's just a prank, bro.
No!
It's just a prank, bro.
No way!
Hey, dude, I got you.
That was good. That was really
Real
good. I
one.
gotta say, that was. Welcome to the day of Daycare! Wait a minute. Cyclone? Chill!
I didn't know what I was doing.
Yo, Chad, what's up, bro?
Don't go over there. Hi, hello, hi.
Hey, what's
hi,
up, bro? How you doing, bro? Yo, you Chad, bro?
Hey, what's up, bro?
Yo, what's up, bro? You even live, bro?
Hey,
You got
hey,
best friends all the time.
No,
What's
no,
up, man?
Sorry.
Why is there so much smoke here? What's going on here, man? Is that a fog machine?
It is. I'm very sorry. I just.
Oh,
kinda got
still,
bored
bro.
and
So
thought
what's
we
up,
were
man? How you
filming.
been, bro? It's good to be
Yeah,
back
I've
in
been
Daycare,
good.
right?
My voice hurts from last episode. Sorry.
Oh, the episode where we just
Still-
like, yo, what's up, bro? Yeah, I'm just a bro.
Still
I'm
difficult
just
to
gym,
stop
bro.
doing.
Football,
Yeah,
bro. What?
Yeah,
All right,
okay,
yo,
wait,
bro.
let's go
I got an
inside.
idea, bro. I look like we're super tough. Walk into daycare and mess with Jeff.
Wait. Is Jeff bigger than normal? Oh,
Jeff,
what?
why are you flat?
Oh,
Jeff, did you get liposuction or something? Or moose suction or something? I don't know what this
I
is.
got
What?
this. If we can't see him, he isn't there.
I found the pancake machine. Jeff, you are the type of guy that would actually
Oh no,
do that.
no,
in
he's
front
a
of the
big
pancake machine.
one. He's so big.
Jeff, it's gonna be alright. Wait, what's that? Hello?
Wait, what?
Oh, hi,
Yeah.
Skylar.
Oh, look
Wait,
over there.
Hey, why do you have a couch in the middle of nowhere? Skylord! Hey, that's awesome. No, they saw me. Well, of course we saw you. We can clearly see that you're just chilling there. I'm not blind.
Well,
Oh, that's
actually,
so.
you know.
Skylar, how you doing? You know, like no hard feelings about yesterday and what happened there. You know, I wasn't watching you.
Oh,
Okay, that's fine with us, dude.
That's
Cyclone,
a little bit weird.
bro, Cyclone. We just have crazy things at daycare again,
Hi.
bro.
we did.
Oh,
we did, bro.
hey.
Hi, Skylar.
Why is she acting so
Sorry,
weird? What's going
that's
on?
parkour.
Hi, Skylar. I got you a present. It's blocks. Blech.
I got you a present. It's smoke. Kaboom.
I see you came back. No, thanks. Wait, what? Huh?
Here's
Whoa,
my
hold
present.
on. What do
It's
you mean he came back? It's just Cyclone. He's
There
been
you
here
go.
since day one.
No, I went.
You
away
never
for a
met
bit, remember,
Skylar?
Moose? What?
You met him when you became a dragon.
Yeah. All right. I did come back when I was a
Wait,
dragon.
did you meet him when you became a dragon? I don't know. Yeah, you're
Huh?
so
What?
cool. Why is she acting so weird? I'm kind of confused right now.
How are you? Why are you building? How?
Bah!
Oh, that did not work.
I
That
thought
kind
that
of
was gonna
backfired
work.
a little. You didn't.
Yo, Jeff,
you're
what's
just
going
not
on with
good.
Skylar?
You're
Why is
just
she
not
acting
good.
so weird? Where's Jeff at, by the way?
Jeff!
Jeff!
Is
Pablo!
Hello,
Hefe!
Jeff.
Big
Look,
Jeff?
I really don't know where Jeff is.
Oh!
Jeff?
Wait, what's up, bro? He's camouflaging. Oh, Jeff!
Hi.
What?
Jeff, are you okay, dude?
Hey, guys, Jeff here.
You kind
Um,
of punched a hole in the ground a little there, buddy. Kind of.
Yeah, he's got a problem with this. I'll repair
Okay,
it.
we're just
Boom,
we're just-
mini blocks.
boom, smoke, and nobody will be the wiser.
Yay! Hey, you kid,
Wait,
sit
you
over
need to sit
here.
Over here. Oh. Okay. I guess I'm over here now. Moose, come sit down.
Yay!
Hi,
Best
buddy.
friend sitting on the couch.
Wait,
No!
No.
Whoa. Do you got a problem, Missy? Huh? Do you got a two only?
It's
Ah! What was that?
I don't know. What was that?
Ew, do you have a up? Why am I blacked out? I
What?
can't see anything.
You're blind? Moose?
I'm legit blind. What's going
I'll
on?
save you. I'll save you. Wait.
I can't
Moose.
see.
You good?
I'm
Moose?
legally blind. I cannot
okay?
see.
Moose. Oh wait.
Gas
think those-
grenade.
think
I
those-
can't see anything.
It's okay, Moose.
All
Go
I
into
see is
F5
blurry
mode.
things.
Moose, go into
Oh,
F5 mode and
works.
it works.
Yay! So Skylar,
Okay,
let me
wait,
get
so-
this straight. Why you acting so
It's
weird
like a-
around me?
But
Huh?
it's a couch for 3. That's like 1,
Yeah.
2,
You know
Let
what?
Moose sit down.
If I can't have the couch.
Well, now it's just a lonely couch for me.
Wait, no. Yeah. You know what?
Now
Yo,
it's just a couch for
Psycho,
one.
come over here. Come over here, Psycho.
Okay,
I
okay,
gotta
wait,
talk
okay,
to you.
what's
All
good?
right.
Okay, talk to me.
Yeah, I gotta
What's up,
talk to
bro?
you. You stay away,
What's
Scott. No
up,
one
bro?
wants you. All right, come here. She's acting all weird and stuff, and I think she has a crush on you somehow.
Wait, what?
Can you not
Moose.
tell? Like she's being weird and stuff, but like
Moose.
she usually has a crush on me, and she's always like
Moose,
trying to like.
I think you're just being a little bit paranoid, buddy.
I
I'm
mean, I
sure
don't
it's
care,
nothing.
bro. I've been
Dude,
trying
I'm
to get rid of
sure
her for
it's
like
nothing.
days, dude. I don't want any part of her.
Listen, I'm slowly dying from whatever that gas
Dear
grenade
diary. Oh wait, is she crazy? Better hide this. Why is she talking
Wait.
about?
Moose,
That's
you wanna go
it.
find the diary?
Diary. We gotta go find the diary and see what's going on, dude. Maybe
Okay,
like she's
ready?
going through like a tough time, but we gotta help her
Wait,
out
tell
because we're good friends, you know.
Oh,
Bennett. Oh, hey,
hi.
Officer Jeff. I did not do anything at all. Here's some moose buckets and donuts.
We were going on the slides.
I'll be on my
That's what
way
we
to
were-
take a poop. That surprisingly worked really, really good. You know what? That worked good.
Well, okay.
Yeah!
Moose, hide behind the couch. We'll be fine.
I am
He's
one
blo-
with the ground.
Oh.
I am the ground that don't need no man to get respect up on the street. But, huh? I'm a small little ground.
It's going over here. It's going over here. Wait, follow me. I know.
I'm
a
gonna become a
shortcut.
bookshelf. I got you.
I know.
Bro,
a
can you
shortcut.
like not? What are you doing? What are you?
Hey, I've been hurt by that gas grenade. How do I fix?
I don't think you can. You kind of
Oh.
messed it up pretty badly. Yeah.
Oh.
Gas grenade! Oh,
Yeah,
this man,
there is no
this-
fix. It's
Yeah,
kind of...
there's no fixing it.
Yeah,
Yeah,
there's-
that's why I was getting spooked out. Where's she? Where'd she go,
She's
bro?
over here. I know.
Oh,
I'm
hey,
sorry.
Skylar. Hey, it's funny seeing you here. I was just,
Hi.
Oh.
Bye.
I was just looking at this new book called "The Knowledge About Mooses and How They're Super Cool" and the Moose #1. Yeah, you know, I read a lot of books every now and then. You
Oh,
know.
hi. Fancy seeing you both here. I was.
Oh, hey, you were also
Hey,
reading books.
Let's
Oh,
go
yeah.
to the toilet and read these books. in
Yeah,
the
let's go
toilet.
read the
Let's-
books in the
let's go to
toilet.
the toilet and read-
Oh, cool.
That-
yeah, you're
that
not
did not
welcome.
go
Boys
down too
only.
well.
Yeah.
That
What did
could
we
have been
do?
a lot.
What are we-
Yeah, that was.
I should put this away. Where'd you go? Jeff, we're in the library reading
was
books,
not
bro,
our
in the
best
toilet.
moment.
Wait, are we not gonna go read books in the toilet? Or
What-
they're just
Moose, that
they're
was
figure of speech?
Moose. That was
Oh.
that was a diversion to stop her from following us. And
Listen, bro, I can be whatever I want to be, okay? You can't tell me what to do, Mom.
Moose.
All right, fine.
What-
Do it, bro.
Moose. Ah! Oh.
Jeff, can you not, please? Like, no? Seriously? No? All right? It causes blindness. And then we can't see. Ah, this man. All right, yo, Psycho, where'd you go?
I'm over here. It's okay. Hi.
Hi, buddy.
Hi. Okay.
hear
Wait.
that?
Wait. Where's?
I heard a chest.
I heard
Hold on.
something.
Yo, over here. Follow me.
Why?
Yeah. But
How did you miss that? It was literally a wall. Okay. Gaff, can you not? Follow me. I'll create a diversion.
What are you
Oh.
doing? What kind of diversion is that?
It's okay. She doesn't say. It's smoke. Smoke's the diversion. She'll look at the smoke.
What was that? Oh, it's a spooky ghost from
I'm
a
a spooky.
dreams.
Whoa, you can't see if there's smoke everywhere.
Chest. Okay, come on, let's go.
Which one? I'll tell you. We need to meet. Where do we want to meet? Where do we want to meet?
All right, to the top floor.
Top to the top.
Yeah, let's go. Okay, this is awesome. Come on. You upstairs?
I'm on my way up. I'm near the toilets.
Dude, I got my own book club up here. Come on, let's go.
What you do? Whereabouts?
Wonder where they are. And the new guy. The
Moose,
ship must be
where are
not
you?
new, right? I'm upstairs, top floor, fully top floor.
Whereabouts? I'm at the fully top floor.
The
Oh,
third
fully-
floor, you
You mean
nub.
the empty floor, the one that has like nothing in it?
No, the ones with the bookshelves on the top floor.
I'm at that floor.
Just teleport to me, you nub. Come on.
Right, this is Minecraft. Boof. Oh, hi.
Hi.
Hey.
Dude,
okay, what's it say? What's
I
it say?
got it. I secured the bag. Okay.
You got it? Okay, let's read it.
I love him so much. He's so cool. Yo, she's still talking about me,
you
by the
feel
way.
cute together. Yeah.
Maybe.
it's
I'm
nice.
not dating her, bro. Come on.
Oh,
Gosh.
okay.
Wait, hold on. He'll be mine. I'm tired of Moose. Time for the new guy. What is...
Who's the new guy? Is there
back.
someone else?
No one must know who the new guy is. And no one must know that you are the new guy.
Oh, hi, I'm okay.
Hey, you're gonna have to jump.
No, we
Back.
can talk about this. We can talk about
Yeah,
this.
back.
No.
What
Quick, go.
Oh, smoke. Oh, I can't see anything at all. I'm legally blind now. Hey, what are you guys doing?
Hey,
Oh, we're talking about the new NBA finals of soccer and FIFA. Stop! I didn't see where you went. Oh, I didn't. Yeah, I didn't go
Hi.
anywhere.
Yeah, we went to the toilet to read those books.
Yeah.
Ignore that thing on the floor over there. It is
We're
nothing
also
of
watching the
importance.
game where they throw the hoop into the tennis court.
I gotta go pick up the book. What?
Let's make weird things about like sports.
Outside.
that we don't know
I'm gonna
anything
be
about.
out there. Yep. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'll be back.
Yeah.
Check one.
Let's go.
Dude,
Please follow me.
This is
Oh,
all
yeah, I
you,
have a
bro.
secret
She's
hideout.
falling
I have
in
a
love with
secret
you,
hideout.
man. Who's that?
It was nothing. It was pizza. I'm hungry. Okay, get inside.
Bro, did you
we
read
gotta
that
hide
thing?
the evidence. We gotta hide the evidence, dude.
What do we do about it? We gotta put it
I
back.
don't know. We have to hide it somewhere.
If she knows we took it, then she knows the plan. She gotta try to like kill you or something, bro. She's into you now. I thought she was like she liked me and all, but no, she's into you.
Oh no. Oh, it's Pancake Jeff. Hey, wait,
Pancake.
Jeff, can you eat the book first or like what?
Jeff, eat it. Go.
Eat
the
it. Go.
book.
Oh,
It's Skylar's diary.
Look to the door at the back.
Oh, hey! We're
That
having
was
a
not what
secret
you just
boys
thought
club
he said.
meeting.
That was not.
Yum.
No, you're on your own. Goodbye, Moose.
You know now. We don't know anything at all. I know that the Eagles won the Super Bowl.
With
Go,
that was yellow.
Go, run.
Go,
that was a distraction.
Go.
Go, run!
I know what you got.
Run!
You're gonna have to follow me and trust me with your life, dude.
Come on. I'm a super ninja. Up and I fell. Where'd you go? Where you at?
Back where the chest is.
Oh, hey, chill. Skylar, chill. What do you want to do? Oh, hey, relax. You have no beef with me, all right? I'll tell you where he is. I'll tell you where the new guy is, all right? I'll like, give you a chance with him or something. Tell me. Okay, so he's,
Moose, don't do it, Moose.
So, he's in the diary room. Tell me, I want him. Okay, listen, I got no beef with you. I don't even like you. I never did like you, and I'm really happy that you're liking this guy, because now you can just lay off and never bother me again. So, bye. It worked. Oh. Hey, I'm talking to the Moose Milks. Hey, what's up, Moose Milk? Yeah, it's so good to like not have to worry about girls and stuff, right? What? Where? I'm talking about my Moose Milk. Can you leave me alone? All right, you're like being weird. You know what, Skylar? Here, I'm gonna have like a restraining order. Like you gotta take like 20 steps back. All right. This is me and my Moose Milk, and I don't want you annoying us anymore. Just saying. 20 steps back. There you go. 20 steps back. Awesome. Bro, that totally worked. No way.
Moose, look up.
What?
Moose. All right. Did we lose our Moose? Did we lose him? Oh, that was Moose. I think we lost it.
Cyclone?
I think we're good.
Behind you. Run, bro. We gotta go. Bro.
Moose made me do it. Moose made
Why
me do
didn't it make you do anything at all? Run, Cyclops. Run away. Okay, Cyclone.
Why?
Don't give me a girl scream.
Moose teleport. I need help.
Okay, I got you. Hey. Got you.
Oh.
You. No. Let me have you. What? Magic.
Hey, well, that was
I think she's really obsessed with you, so
Yeah,
I have an idea. I know how to fix this whole entire issue. So Jeff has built this crazy like teleportation ability thing that like teleports her into the middle of nowhere.
Wait,
Alright?
for real?
Yeah.
Wait, isn't that a little bit mean?
She's screaming and shaking the daycare now because she doesn't have you.
I think that's a little bit mean, though.
Don't use my stuff.
We don't have to do that. That's a little bit too mean, dude.
Jeff, I have a plan. Don't worry about it. Hey, Skylar, meet me in the lobby of the daycare. Hey, give me a second. I got you.
Do I have to go with you? I'm
You have
afraid,
to go with
bro.
me. That's how it works.
I'm
Huh!
afraid, bro.
Skylar, lobby. I got your best friend,
I'm here
Cyclopia.
too.
Ah! What in the world? Oh, she's really happy. Hey, Skylar. So listen, I understand that
Hey.
you don't like me anymore, and you like Cyclops. So I have a solution to all these problems. Okay. So this book, if you eat this book, it will, he will fall in love with you. You got me? Come closer. Come closer, Cyclops. Come here.
Do I have to come over there too?
Hey! You can't take the book from me. Let me handle this. Come here. All right.
Let me
so
sit over here and watch.
Cyclone
Okay. Yeah.
and Skylar.
Uh-huh.
You guys both get on the couch. Hop on the couch. Come on. Hop on the couch.
Uh-huh.
So here's what's gonna happen. Now I'm gonna give you guys this book. All right.
Uh-huh.
And you're gonna get these flowers.
Uh-huh.
You're gonna get these flowers and this moose milk, and I pronounce you husband and wife. I'm out of here. Bye. Yes. Got him. Yo. Hey.
That was a machine.
Listen. Look me in the face. Look me in the face, bro. It's just a prank, bro. I'll see you tomorrow with a brand new Daycare video. Subscribe and slap the bell. Got him. Never prank it. Bye.